There are three methods to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from the taskbar in Windows 10. Method 1. Open the Windows settings. To open it, click on the Start menu and then click on the Settings icon. You can open the Windows settings by simply clicking the Windows key and letter I together in the keyboard. Now from these options, click on this one, Personalization. Then from the left pane, click on the last one, Taskbar. And now in the right hand side, please move down and locate the title notification area, and here under this title click on this link, turn system icons on or off. Now from this list of icons, please make sure that the network icon is turned on. If it is off, turn it on. Then check whether your problem fixed or not. If not, then go to the previous window, and now this time please click on the first link here. Select which icons appear on the taskbar, and then from these options, please make sure that the network icon is turned on here also. If this method doesn't work, then try the second method. To do it, right click on the blank area on the taskbar, and now from these options click on the Task Manager. Then the Task Manager window will open. If the Task Manager window appears like this one, then click here, More Details. Okay, now in this window under the tab Processes, please locate for the process named Windows Explorer. Move down and locate this process, Windows Explorer. Okay, it is here. Click on it and then click on this option here, Restart. Okay, now you have done it. Close this window and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If this method also didn't work with you, then try the third method. To do it, right click on the Start menu, and then from these options click on Run to open the Run command box. Now in this window, please type gpedit.msc as you can see on the screen, and then click on OK. Now this window of Local Group Policy Editor will open. In this window, in the left pane under User Configuration, please expand the folder named Administrative Templates. Then select the folder named Start Menu and Taskbar. After selecting this one, go to the right hand side and locate here for the option Remove the Networking icon. Okay, it is here. Open it by double clicking, and now in this window, please set this one as disabled. Then click Apply and then click OK. Now close this window, and now please restart your computer. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.